Allah the Exalted said, "Undoubtedly we sent it down in the blessed and valuable night, and what you know, what the blessed night is. The blessed and valuable night is better than 1,000 months. Therein descends angels and Jibreel, the Spirit, by the command of their Lord for every affair. That is all peace till the rising of the dawn." Surah Al-Qadr verse 1 to 5. Ibn Oyna says, the thing about which there is ma adraka in the Quran that has been told to the Prophet ﷺ, and about which there is wama yudrika, the honored ﷺ did not know that. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Whosoever observes fasts of Ramadan with faith and intending reward, his former sins are pardoned. And whosoever stands for prayer on the valuable night with faith and intending reward, his past sins are also forgiven." Sulaiman bin Kathir corroborated him from Zuhri. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2014.